Here I took 3 sheets with 3 different company like Company A, Company B and Company C. Now select all by pressing Ctrl A and convert it into table by Ctrl T and do the same with all the 3 sheets. Also do change the table name to Company A, Company B and Company C to avoid confusion in Power Query. What I want to do here, once I put something in Company A, B and C, it will automatically populated on dashboard once I refreshed the page. Now click on any sheet like Company A, B or C and then go to Data and select from Table Range. Now the Power Query window will pop up. Please click on Append Queries. Don't select Append Queries as new. Now select the company name from the Append drop-down and click OK. Now go to Advanced Editor and copy the source line and paste it below and change the name from Source to Source 1, Source 2 and Source 3 accordingly, and change the company name only as well. Then go to Appended Query and replace the changed type to Source 1, Source 2, and Source 3 accordingly to combine tables. Now select on OK and click on Close and Load to. Now you will redirect to Excel sheet with a dialog box called Import Data. Select on Existing Worksheet as Dashboard. Click on any cell and click on OK. Now it's done. To remove these gaps, you can delete the blank rows from each sheet. Now it's all done. We will check by putting any data to confirm. Let me put in Company A. Now go to Dashboard and refresh. Yes, it's working. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more.